Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Let's start with color. Now I am drawing letter A. I am using red color now. Now I am coloring apple. A. A is for apple. I am using red color now. A is for apple. I am using green color now. I am using yellow color now. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for banana. B is for ball. B is for bat. I am using yellow color now. Now I am coloring banana. B is for banana. I am using yellow color now. I am using yellow color now. B is for banana. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. I am using green color now. Please subscribe this channel and watch the full video. So let's go. Bye bye kids. Please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel and follow this page.